Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set custom ringtone or notification sound on Vivo Y03t. If you're using Vivo Y03 and now you want to set your custom ringtones or notification sound, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. From here, just scroll down and look for notifications and sounds. Here's add sounds and vibration. Just tap on it and then just scroll down. Look for phone ringtone, select it, and here you will get the list of ringtones. But if you want to set your own ringtone from gallery, if you have, you just have to select custom ringtone. It will open all of your gallery audios. You can easily select one of them, and after that just go back. You can easily switch sim if you want to have two sims. You can easily select different ringtones for your both sims. After selecting ringtone, just go back and look for notification ringtone, select it, then you will get the list of different notification ringtone. You can easily select one of them. If you have, you can easily select custom ringtones from your gallery audios, and after selecting, just go back, and that's how you can easily set or select your own ringtones in your Vivo Y03 phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.